Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Capital One for credit monitoring enrollment, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start your registration with Capital One for credit monitoring enrollment, visit the official Capital One website. On the homepage, locate and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the Enroll or Create Account option. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and social security number. Create a unique username and a strong password for your new account. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click the Submit button to create your account. Once your account is created, log in using your new username and password. Navigate to the Credit Monitoring section on your dashboard. Click on Enroll or Get Started to begin the enrollment process. Follow the prompts to provide any additional information required for credit monitoring. Review the features and benefits of the credit monitoring service offered. Confirm your enrollment by clicking on the final Enroll button. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your credit monitoring enrollment. Check your email for further instructions or resources related to your new service. You are now registered for Capital One's credit monitoring service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.